Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I'm excited to show you some more detail on the Disney accessories that were in my squad box. These are coming out in the spring launch on March 4th on the Happy Planner website at 9 a.m. Okay, I am ready to dig in. This is my favorite Disney line so far from the Happy Planner. I love the colors, the design, everything about it. This is the Colorblock design set, and I think it's fantastic. And I'm going to start off with probably the thing everybody's going to want the most, and that is, ta-da, red metal Mickey discs. These are perfection, and they will go wonderful with the black and white Mickey planners. I mean, just about any. Look how pretty that is. I love these discs. Oh, so I'm excited to add those. I've got a cover that's black and white Mickey, and this is going to be perfect. Okay, and then these. I love these too. These are, I just love the colors in them. They're little Mickeys. We've got the clear with the gold glitter, and then we've got the mint with the Mickey, and then the kind of salmon color with the little mini bow cut out. These are adorable, and the colors go perfect with the line, and I think on the planners, you could like alternate, you could just do them all the same, but it would really add that kind of pop of color to those covers. I think it'd be perfect. Alrighty, and we've got some vinyl stickers in this Colorblock series, and let's take a look at them closer. Okay, I haven't looked through them, so I'm excited to see. So seek magic in every day. Be kind. Life is wonderful. Always find something to smile about. Real magic happens when you're positively you. Ooh, this one's cool. It's got Minnie kissing Mickey. Be in love with your life. Ooh, this is so cute too. Good things are coming. So these, I mean, you could put them on water bottles. You could do so much with these vinyl stickers. Your laptop, you name it. Put them on your cover of your planner. Those are awesome. I'm excited to use those. And these, okay, these right here are amazing. They're like Mambi sticks, so they're big, oversized stickers. And I mean, I know I'll probably put some of these in my planner as well. I just love the graphic design of them and how bold and big they are. And look at that gold foil. All right, let's check these out. Okay, so let's take a look. We've got these with the gold foil. I love that it says dream big, and then it's got a little Mickey. The colors of this are just stunning. Seek magic every day with Minnie's little bow. Hooray for today. Oh, I love that with the kind of rainbow colors, sparkle and shine. Then we've got Minnie doing her coy little giggle. Find joy every day. Be your best self. I love the Colorblock. All good. Minnie again peeking over her shoulder. Always find something to smile about. Stay silly. Okay, I think these are all Minnie. These are really cute. Courage is golden. And look at that gold Minnie. Today looks bright. Radiate kindness. Create magic. Be kind. Good times. Oh, I love these all. Life is meant for good friends and great adventures. Follow your heart. So yeah, these were all Minnie themed. At first I thought they were going to be Mickey and Minnie, but they are so good. And again, you could use them in your planner. You could use them on crafts. They're just so versatile. So I'm excited to try these out. All right, let's see what's up next. All right, we've got some dashboards. Let's open these up and take a look. So we've got the classic Mickey with the dots and the little Mickey heads. And then we've got Minnie, dream until your dream comes true. And it's clear Put that so you can see better. And then leave a trail of magic wherever you go with Mickey and the little sparkles down there. So those are dashboards. Okay, and this is a new product. These are removable decals, which I'm excited to try out because you can do so much with these as well. You could put them on a window, a mirror, glass, I mean, just about anything. So I'm excited to see what people do with these. You could also probably put them on like what, dry erase boards. Okay, let's check these out. Okay, I've got them out. Let's take a look. So we've got a Mickey sheet and a Minnie sheet. I just love the colors. And I just love everything about these. And I'm excited to try them out. I think it'd be really fun. I think I'm going to try this. To take one and use it on a frame, like on the glass. I think it'd be really cool. I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it out. Okay. Next up is some filler paper with a little Minnie. Let's check out the inside. Okay, well, I'm glad I opened it up because check this out. It's got Mickey. I love this color block, so you can like kind of title it. His is dot grid. Minnie is all like checklist, check line. What do you call that? Checkbox? I don't know. Hold on. Okay, so there's two styles in here. So we've got Minnie with the little checklist down the side, lined paper, and the back has a grid with Minnie, and then it's got this color block section, which I think is really good because you can highlight or title this page, or you know, whatever. It'd be super fun. There she's being coy. And then we've got Mickey on the yellow, again with a color block that is really cool for labeling or titling this page. Let's see what's on the back. And that's just got Mickey with a dot grid. Perfect. So this is some filler paper in really pretty colors. It's like a salmony pink and a soft yellow. Alrighty. And next up, we've got an Undated vertical extension pack. Let's check out the inside. This is the color block. Let's see what it looks like. I love all the little expressions of Mickey and Minnie. Oh, so it's really neutral, just a black going on this month. Very simple. Let's see the weeks. Oh, fun. So then it's got this really pretty blue kind of going up diagonal and then back down on this side with the dark stripes. And then the really pretty, what do you call that? Rainbow lettering on the side. There's that one. Let's check out the next month. It's got a cute dashboard. The world needs your special kind of magic. Let's see if the pages are, yeah, they're the same, but the accent changed. So that accent turned to the yellow. All right, let's see what the next one is. Always trust your heart with the little Mickey in the center there. Kind of reminds me of the Mickey disc. Let's see if this turns green. It does. We've got the green accent. This is really different, unique, because the other Mickey color blocks didn't have like a combo of color like that. Alrighty, and always find something to smile about. And we've got the pink accent. Whoa, through that one. Let's see what else this comes with. Ooh, it's got the fun stickers. I love the months. And ooh, some more really pretty stickers, full boxes and accents, and then a cute, cute folder with the stripes. So that's the vertical extension pack. This would probably be good too. Like, let's say you're planning a Disney trip. Maybe you just want to have a little mini planner. You can date this for whenever you're taking that trip. That'd be a lot of fun. Okay. And planner accessories. Let's see. All right, here is the planner accessories. Let's see what's inside. We've got a cute Mickey sticky note, and then these little flags with a tiny Mickey. And we've got the little, let me take this out. How cute, the little dashboard and some fun stickers. I'm telling you, these rainbowy ones are my favorite. I just love the colors and everything. And then we've got a really cute folder that's got the Mickey expressions. Let's take a look. the Mickey expressions, and then the Today is Magic with the Mickey kind of silhouette. Oh, cute. We've got Mickey throwing the peace sign. I love this graphic kind of color block half circle. And then on the back, ooh, stay true to you. That's really pretty. And so it's got the sheets of paper. So that is perfect to add on to your Mickey planner, or really any planner. Super fun. Okay, and now a companion pack. I'm ready to see what's in here. Let's check it out. Okay, let's check out the planner. I've got the planner companion pack out. Find joy every day. So we've got the folder. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Okay, let's go on this side first. Let's just take, oh wait, there's something there. Everything out. Oh, look at the little mini note paper. So it's just note paper. It's not sticky, so you can just jot notes down. So cute. So we'll put him here. Then we've got kind of like one of those vision boards. So this is motivation. It's got the Mickey sections right there. Oh, it's, or is this? Yeah. Wonderful days are ahead. Seek magic every day. That's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Inspiration. When you open it up, it could be like that. That's cool. Okay. Then we've got a dry erase with notes and tasks. Make today count. So you've got little checklists and dot grid over here. So you can do different headers. Like you could assign, like you could have each person, like what they need to do, or you could have, like, let's say it's sections of your house that you want to clean even. It could be like kitchen, bathroom, whatever. You can divide this however you want, but I think it's really versatile. You know I love envelopes. Let's see what's in here on this side. I'm like trying to get this out. Okay. So, oh, we've got a cute little Better Together. The blue. Oh, a purple Mickey and Minnie. Always find something to smile about. And Mickey and Minnie color block. These would be great, like in a, even in your Disney planner, you could put like photos or memorabilia or something in here. Okay, and time to make magic. Oh, I like this, and it's got like the, let's see, the color block of the green. Let's see if there's anything on the back. Oh, yes. Never be afraid to chase your dreams with the yellow. I love the design on all of these. And we've got a folder, Loving the Journey, with Mickey and Minnie inside. This is such a fun pack. Like I said, this is my favorite line of Disney stuff so far from the Happy Planner. I just think it is adorable. I just love the colors, the fun, everything about it. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would also love it if you would hit that like, subscribe, and remind bell so that you can get more videos from me. Thanks so much and have yourself a great day.